Joe Dirte. Well, that was interesting. For this one right here, this is the 4-inch. This one should work. Hopefully it sends it up high enough. I think it should, but it's also kind of a surprise. I'm not sure what's in there, so we'll find out. I'm also putting this one out quite a bit further. I don't want it to land on my truck. I'm gonna have to run kind of fast. Actually, I've got a decent fuse there. It's red fuse too, so it's kind of slow burning. There it goes. Ooh, too low. Ooh. Well, that was interesting. Needed a little more lift, and the hang time was a little too long. I'll have to measure that out, but it had to have been 5 seconds or so. Still cool. That thing's an atom bomb, man.
I'm not singing it because my voice sounds weird. Demons, screaming, demons, screaming, demons, screaming, demons.